Hello, welcome to Pilotfly. My name is Marcus and today I would like to introduce you our new remote control, the RM-1. The RM-1 is a lightweight and ergonomic remote control which gives you the possibility to remotely control any of the Pilotfly gimbals. Every gimbal comes with an integrated Bluetooth module which gives you the possibility to remotely control it via remote control or via a smartphone app, Android based. The remote control, the RM-1, comes with a 4-way joystick and with mode buttons, and you even can adjust the roll axis. So all 3 axes can be adjusted via this little device. The power switch is on the side and the voltage input is also on the side to charge the remote control. The operation time of the remote control is about 20 hours, which gives you a very high flexibility and versatility for your video shooting. And how does it work? I will show you now. The remote control is auto pairing. So first you power on the gimbal and then power on the remote control. The LEDs are running, and as soon as the connection is established, it will light up only one LED. Now you can remotely control the gimbal via joystick. You can pan or tilt the camera with the remote control, or even the roll axis on the side. With the home button you can easily go back to the home position. With the mode button you can switch between the pre-configured modes. And there is one more thing which we integrated in the RM-1. This is Time-Lapse. And this I will show you now. In order to enter the Time-Lapse mode, you need to press the home button for around 2 seconds. The LEDs will flash and will indicate you that you have entered the Time-Lapse mode. As next, you need to adjust the speed of the rotation of the y-axis. Each LED will indicate you a different speed which we pre-configured. You have the possibility to choose from 360 degrees in 1 minute, or 360 degrees in 10 minutes, 360 degrees in 30 minutes, 360 degrees in 60 minutes, and 360 degrees in 120 minutes. Now the left LED is flashing, which indicates you the first time-lapse speed, which is turning around 360 degrees in 1 minute. If you want to start the time-lapse, you need to press the mode button for around 1 second, release it, and then the y-axis, the gimbal, will start for time-lapse. If you want to stop, press the mode button for 1 second, release it, and the gimbal stops. You also can adjust the pitch angle before you start time-lapse. If you want to make a time-lapse of the sky, then adjust the tilt before you start time-lapse. Select the modes, which rotation speed you want. Press and hold the mode button for 1 second, release it, and time-lapse starts. You also can select the direction of the y-axis, whether it should rotate to the left side or should rotate to the right side. In order to do so, you need to double click the home button and the LEDs will show you which rotation direction you have chosen. Then press the mode button, hold it for 1 second, release it, and it will start the time lapse. Press and hold for 1 second, release, will stop. Change the direction, double click on home button. Now I changed it to the right side. Press the mode button for 1 second, release, and now you see it rotates in the other direction. If you experience in the time-lapse feature any drifting of the yaw axis, please do a gyro calibration before you start the time-lapse function. Time-lapse feature with the remote control is only possible with the firmware version 2.59b5 or higher. If you want to exit the time-lapse mode, it's the same procedure like you have entered it. Press and hold the home button for around 2 seconds. The LEDs are flashing and will indicate you that you will enter the normal mode. Now you can remotely control the gimbal on each axis. Use the home move function, change the modes. When you're using the remote control, you need to consider that the joystick on the gimbal is locked. You cannot use this. But the mode button is working, so this is also necessary for the gyro calibration, if you need it. Okay, that was a short introduction about the RM-1, our new remote control, which is a very, very good companion for your Pilotfly gimbals. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye!